and there is a train in the station, and there are water dummies. Sparks flying from under the train got scratched up. I'm at Dr. Coaster. Today is Saturday, December 12th, 2022, and it's time for another ArieForce 1 construction update. When we arrived, they were filling up the water dummies with the hose just to the left of the track. And because they were doing that, there was a little leak in the hose and it was getting water everywhere. But this was a good sign that they were filling up the water dummies. It meant testing would be soon. We just pulled past, and there is a train in the station, and there are water dummies, and there are what looks like ride-ups walking around the station. So maybe we'll get a test today, hopefully. So apparently, from the perspective of an employee, they were running it the other day, but when they ran it, apparently there were sparks flying from underneath the thing, and apparently the track and the train got scratched up. But there are rumblings of it running today, so we're gonna stock it out. There were also these team members taking down the sign. Apparently it's going back to Idaho to the RMC shop. So say goodbye to the sign, as today was the last day to see it. Here's a look at the transfer track that takes the train on and off from the actual layout. And then also here's a look at the quad down and the double up airtime. We even got to see ravens on the Raven Trust dive. I mean, what can get better than that? I'm at Dr. Coaster just watching, because we're all watching. And that's amazing. He gives great updates. You should go subscribe to him. Then workers from RMC showed up, and we knew things were about to kick into gear. And after 10 months of watching this thing grow, it was finally time for the first train to dispatch. Oh my God. That was amazing, the first test run. I'm so excited. I've been watching this thing since it's announced. I saw it, and that's great. Subscribe for more content like this. Well, there goes another ArieForce 1 construction update. It was amazing. I loved the group of enthusiasts I was hanging out with, just watching the coaster and waiting. That was such a fun day, and I look forward to seeing you again, ArieForce.